I did this. Mommy.
Hello, my beautiful people. Greetings to you all. Come with me. Let's make these spring rolls together. Let's get right into the video. Can you see how yummy it looks like? Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. Let's get right into the video. So, here are the first ingredients that I'm going to be needing making these spring rolls. So, this is a cabbage. I just need just a little portion from it. So I'll go ahead and slice it into a small pieces, just like this, as if you are making your salad. I'm using half onions. And I'm using 4 carrots. So once I am done with the carrot, I will put it aside. So watch this. I have this beef half blocked, but not fully blocked. So I try to use my grater, but I find it difficult. But you can do this when your meat is very blocked. So you see other meats that I will use to blend it. Using this, it will really take my time. I just put it aside. I go ahead and chop the beef into a smaller pieces. Feel free to share the description box. Everything that I'm going to be using will be right there for you. So I just go ahead and use my food processor. And when you are making your meat pie also, the same thing applied. You can buy your fresh meat and use your food processor to blend it. So at this point, I am almost done with it. Oh my God, can you see that your food processor can do a great job for so many areas? Can you see how it looks like? So I put this one aside. So these are the first ingredient I'm going to be using for the fillings. Onions, cabbage, carrots, seasoning cube. So the next one is a songhar. I will be showing you the sachet, how it looks like. Whenever I'm making my spring rolls, I don't joke with it. A little bit of salt. So I'll go ahead and prepare my sauce with just a little bit of oil. Use any oil of your choice. Once it gets hot, I'll go ahead with the onions. I'll add the blended beef. I'll stir it a little while. I'll go ahead and put a pinch of salt, not really much. The next, I'll add this seasoning cube. So I will stir it until the color of this beef is fully changed. The next, I'll add, once the beef is ready, I'll add my carrots, cabbage. At this point, I'm not going to allow it to stay on the gas for so long because I really want it to be crunchy. Last but not the least, I'll add the sunghas to it. I will take it off the gas because it's fully ready. So I will allow it to cool down before using. So we are through with the first step of it. The second step is this. I'm using all-purpose flour, 280 grams, a little bit of salt. I'm using olive. If you don't have this, use what you have. And this is a water. Double the water and make sure the water is more higher than the flour. And feel free to check the description box. Everything that I'm going to be using and the measurement will be right there for you. Mix it and until it's free from lumps. When you are mixing this, let the thickness look like as if you are making pap. So I will mix this one aside. So when I'm rolling it, so this is what I will use to seal it. Make sure this one is a little bit more thicker. So this is how it goes. Just take your time and do this. Make sure you use a nice frying pan for this. That is the only way it can give you a better result. If you don't have a nice frying pan that you can use a pot that is not too deep like what you are seeing to do it. So once I am done, I will just allow it for a second. Can you see? So I will flip it. So without wasting time, I will take it off. So I'm going to repeat this process again and again until I am done. So this is the end result of that. I'll go ahead and dust the surface. So this is how the spring rolls, this is how the filling goes, or the wrapping. At the end of this video, you are going to see that making these spring rolls is very easy, more than what you may think. So I will just go ahead and seal it like this. Roll it out. So I'll go ahead and do the next one so that you can see it more better. Really, making these spring rolls is really easy and very fast. Can you see how it goes? Make sure it's well sealed so that when it gets to the oil, it will not lose. So I'll go ahead and do one more. Once I am done with this, I'll do the rest off camera. Let me holler my wonderful peoples in the house. To all my returning subscribers, you guys are really, really wonderful. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you all for always stopping by, for your constant support. May God bless you all abundantly in Jesus' name. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead, subscribe, be a part of this humble family, so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. And we will upload it soon again. And if you have done that, thanks so much. Please, if you have watched up to this point, make sure you like the video, share the video, and leave a comment. Guys, we are almost done. Just keep stir frying. I will repeat this again and again. I am done. Oh my God, this is super yummy. Please, if you have not liked this video, go ahead and do so. Oh, this is super delicious. Just look at it. Just look at it. Is it any different from the one you do buy out there? I hope after this video you are going to repeat it yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.